Today we are going to see how we make Vedic A2 ghee at Tryambakam Dairy Farms. It starts with healthy living soil where we grow our organic grasses to feed our cows. This grass is 100% organic and is grown without any chemicals, pesticides or urea. During milking, we use ancient Vedic method of dohan where the calf is given the milk stomach full and then we milk the cows. This wholesome A2 milk is then made into curd. After it's made into curd, through Bilona method, we extract the butter. The butter is then heated to make the golden A2 ghee. Now this aromatic and granular A2 Vedic ghee is ready to be dispatched to your home.
Tryambakam Ghee brings you closer to your roots because Sanatan Sanskriti is the ultimate truth, not the myth.